Welcome back. Sorry for the delay in videos, but let's just get right into this one. So first, just grab an empty jar and pour in a cocoa or a drinking powder mix. My mix is just 3 parts icing sugar to 1 part cocoa powder. You just pour that straight in with a bit of coffee kernels, depending on how you think the flavor would go well. I poured in about a teaspoon. Then using a clean finger, wipe the inside of the jar. It really helps clean it up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add some marshmallows in, then add in some sort of chocolate. I like the Lindt ones specifically because they melt so beautifully. Put the lid on and you've done the first part of this DIY. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to get a tiny Nutella jar. Now you can buy these from Kmart, and I just had an empty one, so I filled it with Nutella. If not, you can always use a smaller jar. Now you're going to put it in a plastic bag or a plastic styrofoam bag with some cookies and tie it up tight. And now you're done. Print out some instructions for the hot chocolate. I put them in the description down below. Play around with fonts to make them look super cute. Attach them to some string on the present. If you don't want to use a jar, you can use a mug. But in the end, this is what it looked like. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and Merry Christmas.